Here are some top wildlife sanctuaries in India. Number 1. Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary, Kerala. The Periyar Wildlife Reserve lies cozily cusped within the famous Cardamom Hills of the south. The Periyar River meanders around its contours, providing a permanent source of water for the local wildlife. Periyar is a highly protected tiger and elephant reserve. During the last count, there were about 53 tigers within the park area. Tourists hire barges to view herds of wild elephants bathing in the Periyar Lake. Other animals found here include gaur, bison, sambar, barking deer, mouse deer, mongoose, foxes, lion-tailed macaque, nilgiri langur, and leopards. Next one is Govind Wildlife Sanctuary, Uttarakhand. Covering an area of 953 thickly forested square kilometers, with stunning views of the surrounding snow-clad peaks, the Govind Wildlife Sanctuary draws tons of visitors each year. It's a well-known picnic and trekking destination. You might get lucky to get a glimpse of the snow leopard here. This park is also home to a number of other exotic species such as Himalayan black bear, musk deer, Himalayan serow, Himalayan monal, trogopan, and many more. Highly recommended for lovers of the cold and to those who love trekking. Number 3 is Bandhavgarh National Park, Madhya Pradesh. Nestled among the Vindhyas, Bandhavgarh was used by the Maharajas of yesteryears as a hunting park. Today, it is a highly protected area and boasts of the highest density of tigers in the country. The park is also a large breeding ground for panthers and various species of deer, including nilgai and spotted deer. A number of luxury safaris are organized in this park where tourists are taken around through the foggy jungle in open jeeps at the crack of dawn. Hemis National Park, Jammu and Kashmir. Located in the eastern Ladakh region of Kashmir, Hemis National Park offers many recreational opportunities including camping, trekking, and sightseeing. Hemis has the distinction of being the only national park north of the Himalayas and is home to a healthy population of about 200 majestic snow leopards. Other animals that call Hemis home are the Tibetan wolf, the endangered Eurasian brown bear, the red fox, the ergali, the barrel, and the shapu. You may even spot a few Asiatic ibex if you are lucky. No motorable roads run through the park, and if you have to cover it mostly on foot, a number of trekking routes open up from mid-June to mid-October. Next is Kaziranga National Park, Assam. At Kaziranga, you will feel dwarfed by the vast expanses of ultra-tall elephant grass, which is why opting for an elephant safari through the park is a great idea. A World Heritage Site, the park hosts two-thirds of the world's great one-horned rhinoceroses. Other exotic species here are the wild Asiatic water buffalo and the eastern swamp deer. In fact, Kaziranga has 57% of the world population of the wild Asiatic water buffalo, which can be found lolling around in many swamps here. Kaziranga is also home to a large number of birds, predators, and scavengers. Next is Jim Corbett National Park. Jim Corbett National Park, situated in the foothills of Himalayas, is a haven for wildlife lovers in India and covers an impressive area of about 1,318 square kilometers. The most talked about of Corbett's denizens are the Bengal tiger and the Asiatic elephant. Less talked about but more easily seen are the wild elephant, langur monkey, rhesus macaque, peacock, and several types of deer, including cheetah sambars, hawk deer, and barking deer. There are also crocodiles, gharials, monitor lizards, wild boars, and jackals. Panthers also power this land but aren't as easy to lay eyes on. Next is Gir National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary, Gujarat. Spread across a massive 1,412 square kilometers, Gir is the only place in the world where you can find the Asian lion in its natural habitat. You can also hope to spot sloth bears, striped hyenas, golden jackals, four-horned antelopes, leopards, nilgai, crocodiles, and even the very rare black buck. Bird lovers can see various breeds of owls, eagles, quails, and woodpeckers. Gir is a highly protected reserve as efforts are ongoing to save the Asiatic lion, only 411 of which remain. Tourists are only allowed on designated routes and their movements are monitored.